the future, crafting a new world, making a human and burning a flame. Masters of wisdom, mentors of your mind, shifting crystal out of gold. We are so glad to welcome you. You're welcome, Santi. We wish to give a joyful heart. Celebrate what will bring us together. We are the one ones. We have to welcome you. We are the blooming buds who seek your guidance. Love of learning is sent from your grace. You are the mentors of the fragment walls, this world to bring a smile. Because great things start with small beginnings. This humble wish is from our tender heart. Casting the future, crafting